Chinese experimental helicopter manufacturer, Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation Technology Company, Limited. As a pioneering force in China's civil aviation sector, Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation Technology Company, Limited stands at the forefront of experimental helicopter manufacturing, specializing in light-duty rotorcraft designed for versatility and customization. The company has carved a niche in producing aircraft certified under the Experimental Category Airworthiness standard, enabling innovative solutions for diverse industries. Zhonglian's flagship models, such as the F-27, combine compact design with robust performance, catering to needs in agriculture, precision spraying, aerial photography, tourism, and flight training. Unlike mass-produced helicopters, their experimental certification allows flexible modifications, from integrating electric propulsion systems to installing specialized payloads for geological surveys or search-rescue operations. This adaptability has made them a go-to choice for clients seeking tailored aviation technology. Based in Changzhou, Jiangsu Province, the company merges technical expertise with cost-effectiveness, ensuring its helicopters are accessible to small businesses, research institutions, and private users. Their commitment to safety is evident in rigorous testing protocols, while partnerships with global suppliers enhance component reliability. As China's low-altitude economy expands, Zhonglian's role in driving experimental helicopter innovation continues to grow, attracting interest from overseas markets via platforms like Facebook and YouTube. For those exploring experimental aviation solutions, Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation Technology Company, Limited exemplifies China's blend of innovation and practicality in civil helicopter manufacturing. Visit company website to discover how their rotorcraft redefine versatility in modern aviation. Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation, redefining experimental helicopter innovation in China. As a leading Chinese manufacturer holding the Experimental Category Airworthiness certificate, Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation Technology Company, Limited specializes in crafting versatile rotorcraft that bridge innovation with practicality. Our certification empowers us to engineer helicopters like the F-27 with unmatched flexibility, whether integrating custom payloads for agricultural spraying, thermal imaging for search rescue, or high-resolution camera systems for aerial photography. Unlike standardized aircraft, our experimental design allows rapid iteration, enabling clients to tailor solutions for niche needs, from research institutions testing electric propulsion to tourism firms seeking scenic tour helicopters. Headquartered in Changzhou, we combine cost-effectiveness with rigorous safety standards, ensuring each model undergoes comprehensive testing to meet global aviation norms. Our core value lies in democratizing advanced aviation technology. By offering modular, affordable helicopters, we help businesses and enthusiasts alike access specialized aerial solutions without compromising on quality. Join us in shaping the future of civilian aviation, where every flight is an opportunity to redefine possibility.